2025 BYD CLU. Now, we've done a Ghost-2 Immobiliser on this vehicle. Now what I'll be doing is I'll just be unlocking the vehicle for you. So as you can see here, you can unlock the vehicle. We can then get inside. Now, obviously, what I can do, if I start the vehicle up, as you can see, all the infotainment comes on, the engine will turn on, the steering wheel goes light, but you cannot drive this vehicle. There is no power to this central assembly here. Now if I try to go into reverse, as you can see, it's still in park, just at the top. If I try and go into drive, same thing, there's no power at all. I'm going to enter the password. So as a demonstration button, we've set it to this one here in the corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it gives you 2 beeps. And you will notice we have now power to the center. I can now go into reverse. As you can see, now gives me a reverse up on the screens, and I can go back to normal. So that is how you would operate your driving ability. Now for service mode on this vehicle, we do the same as follows. Start the engine, put your password. Now the service button on here is your cruise cancel, which is this one on the corner here. Now if I press this 5 times, it will now beep 5 times. This is now in service mode. Now if I switch the vehicle off, it returns back to its factory settings. I can obviously get out the vehicle, come back in. Now I should be able to start the vehicle and drive it with no password. So foot on the brakes, start the car. As you can see, it comes on, all with the ability to drive. Now to come back out of service mode, I'm going to enter my password. Going to beep 2 times. This has now activated it, so it's back into its normal operations. Now if I switch the vehicle off, we'll be showing you how to change your password on this car. Now I'm simply going to not have the engine on, so no feet on the pedals, just the start button once. All of your ignition will come on. I'm going to enter our password. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to beep. It will now get ready to go into its learning mode. So how we're going to do that is on the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. Now you'll feel the click at the very bottom of this pedal. It has to be on that click. So all as far as it will go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We enter the old password, the same again. Once it beeps, we can now release our feet, and it's going to continue beeping every 2 to 3 seconds as it's in its learning mode. The buttons we have on this vehicle are going to be left and right on the side panel here. We also have up and down and the 2 on the end. We have same repeat apart from volume, has no up and no down. So what we're going to do is I'm going to change it from this side to now the left side, so I can show you that it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will now beep 3 times as confirmation. As we have, we do the same password again. It'll give me 2 beeps for submission. That's 2 beeps, and that is done. So I switch the vehicle off. That is now your new password. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to start the vehicle again. As you can see, no power in the center. I'm going to input our password. We'll get the 2 beeps and you'll see the power arise on the gear lever. So as you can see, the power's come through. There you go. That has now activated the Ghost for you. Obviously, if you have any questions or queries, feel free, give us a call. 0208 554 5554.